All right, everybody, let's talk about something. Something that sounds a little complicated, but I promise it's not. It's called IUL, Indexed Universal Life Insurance. I know, big words! Imagine you have a super cool piggy bank. This isn't just any piggy bank. Oh no, this one is special. It's like a piggy bank that can grow your money over time. It's linked to how well some big companies are doing. You've heard of the stock market, right? When the businesses on this report card do well, they get good grades. And when they get good grades, your special IUL piggy bank can get a boost. This whole idea is about making your money work for you. And it's all wrapped up in something called life insurance. Okay, so we've got our amazing growing piggy bank, our IUL. But how do you get it started? And what do you do with it? Well, it usually starts with monthly payments. Think of it like a bill that can actually pay you for a change. You do your part on the monthly premium, and that money goes into your IUL. Now you can watch your money grow in response to market increases. It's pretty straightforward, really. Now these monthly payments do a couple of jobs. Part of the payment takes care of the life insurance part. That's the part that protects your loved ones. It's like having a safety net, knowing that if anything happens, they'll be taken care of. So that's job number one. Super important, but that's not all your IUL is doing for you. A portion of your money goes into the cash value part of your IUL. This is where it gets the chance to get bigger. Remember how we said it's linked to how well big companies are doing? That's what happens here. They don't actually buy stocks with your money directly. That can be risky. Instead, they use something called an index, like the S&P 500, which is just a list of 500 big, successful US companies. It's like a team. A really big, strong team. This account is watching that team, that S&P 500. It's not investing in the team, but it's watching them. And when that team scores, your cash value can score too. It's a clever system, designed to give your money a chance to grow, without you having to become a stock market expert overnight. Because who has time for that? We've got puppies to pet! So this makes it simpler. Much simpler. And we love simple. When the S&P 500 has a good year, your cash value can grow too. Now here's something really cool. Most IULs have something called a floor. A floor! What does that mean for your money? It means that even if the market, that big S&P 500 balloon, has a bad year and goes down, your cash value that's already there doesn't go down with it. It's protected, a no-gravity zone. So if the market goes down by, say, 10%, you don't lose your previous gains in response to market drops. It's like having a safety net under your money's trapeze act. How great is that? So it can go up, but it has protection from going down due to the market. There's also usually something called a cap. Now, a cap is like a ceiling. So, if the market goes up a whole lot, like in super-duper amount, you don't get every bit of that growth. For example, if the S&P 500 goes up 20% and your cap is 7%, your cash value linked to that index would grow by 7%. It's a way for the insurance company to manage things. That's the trade-off, so that you don't have to worry about a loss in a direct response to the market. But even with a cap, it's still a chance for good growth. Especially when you remember that floor protecting you on the downside. It's all about balance. Upside potential. Downside protection. Okay, so let's imagine this. Let's say you're using an IUL. You've been making your payments. Your money has been growing. Maybe you're saving for something big, like a trip around the world. Or maybe you want to buy a house, or start your own business. Whatever it is, your IUL is there, working away. That's the kind of growth we're talking about. And don't forget, all this time your IUL is working on growth potential. It's also still that life insurance policy. So it's doing double duty. It's helping you save and grow money for the future. And it's protecting your family's future too. That's a pretty amazing combination. It's financial security with a cherry on top. It's definitely something worth looking into if you want your money to do more than just sit around. Your life insurance can do more than you think. Call Insured, Assured, Secured for more information.